We're going to be cleaning this cartridge filter, which is a Hayward filter. You want to turn the pump off at the breaker. You're going to release the air at the top. As soon as this stops, you take the ring off. So there's a safety latch right here. So grab that other side and then twist it counterclockwise. You can see here it says open that way. So you got to go that way counterclockwise and then close it, tighten it that way. Pull the filter. Now to drain all the stuff on the bottom, either you can do a shop vac, or there's a drain plug right there. Just undo that. Screwdriver right in there. So when you take this off, there's going to be some dirt coming out. So you can spray a hose down inside to get it off all the thread in there, so it's not all gritty. Make sure there's grease on this too when you put it back in. Some grit can get in here, so you gotta make sure that in these threads it's all cleaned up. Like I said, put a hose down inside and then spray all this out. Shot back that out or just spray it out because you've already opened the bottom drain. So I'll link this attachment down below. This thing's awesome for filters. Put the filter back in. Now you could soak these for a couple hours. If you have another one, soak it overnight. So we're going to put the lid back on. Just tighten it until it stops. Close the air. Put a drain plug back in. When you tighten this, don't over tighten it, just snug. Okay, that's snug right there. It'll just break. Everything's all plastic, so. Turn the pump back on. You get it started. Turn it open so you get all the air out. I just cover it so it doesn't spray on anything electrical, and cover it back up. That's it.